Hi, my name is Melvin Otero and I'm a licensed agent here at Benavest. We offer different types of life insurance options from all of the top carriers, and I wanted to take a moment to go over some of these different options. Understanding life insurance can be a bit complicated if you're not familiar with the different types of plans, but our licensed agents are here to help you understand your options and guide you every step of the way. Now, typically life insurance falls between term and permanent. To keep it simple, think of term as renting insurance for a specific time period and permanent as buying insurance that's going to last your whole lifetime. Term life insurance can provide essential protection for your family. It's much less expensive than other life insurance options. But the downside of term insurance is that once the term ends, the coverage ends, or the premiums could increase dramatically. But essentially, you can get a larger coverage amount for a smaller monthly premium. And keep in mind that some carriers allow you to convert some of that term coverage into permanent coverage. Now, whole life insurance is the most common type of permanent life insurance. The payments are the same every single month, and some whole life insurance policies can be completely paid for after a certain amount of years. And that's because the policy earns a fixed rate of interest, cash value that can easily be predicted, and it's one of the best life insurance policies to choose from. These type of plans are going to be more expensive than term, but they can help you grow tax-free cash value while providing coverage that's going to last your whole lifetime. There are other types of life insurance policies, such as universal, final expense, etc., but we're going to go over some of those specifics in another video. In a nutshell, life insurance should be a key component of your financial portfolio. It can help you protect your family and your assets. To find out more about the different types of life insurance options, give us a call today or visit our website and speak to one of our licensed agents. And remember, our agents are not captive, so they're able to provide you with more options compared to captive agents who can only provide you with quotes from the companies they represent. We're here to help you protect your family so you can get the coverage you need at an affordable price and have the peace of mind that you deserve.